Welcome to Fit, Eat, Fuel. If you're over 40 and still working out, that's fantastic. Staying active is key to maintaining strength and energy as you age. But here's something important. Many people unknowingly perform common exercises with bad form, increasing their risk of injury. In today's video, we'll look at 7 essential exercises most people over 40 are doing wrong. I'll show you simple fixes and slow motion comparisons of proper versus dangerous form, so you can train safely and effectively. 1. Squats. Stop hurting your knees and back. Squats are great for building leg strength, but bad form can cause knee and back pain, especially after 40. A common mistake is letting your knees push too far forward or rounding your lower back. This puts too much stress on your joints. To fix this, push your hips back as if sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and your core engaged. Your knees should stay above your toes and your heels should stay flat on the ground. Lower yourself slowly and rise with control. If needed, start with box squats or use a wall for support. 2. Shoulder press. Protect your shoulders. The shoulder press helps build upper body strength, but many people do it wrong. A big mistake is pushing the weights too far back or flaring your elbows too wide. This puts pressure on your shoulder joints and can lead to injury. To fix this, sit or stand tall, engage your core, and press the weight straight overhead with control. Keep your elbows slightly in front of your body instead of out to the sides. If you feel shoulder pain, switch to dumbbells and use a neutral grip. This reduces joint stress and makes the movement safer for your shoulders. 3. Deadlifts. Avoid lower back injuries. Deadlifts are great for strength, but bad form can easily injure your lower back. Many people round their back or lift too fast. This increases the risk of muscle strain or worse. To fix it, keep your back straight and your core tight. Start by pushing your hips back, keeping your chest up, and looking forward. Your legs should do most of the work, not your back. Keep the bar close to your body as you lift. Start with lighter weights and focus on slow, controlled movement. Good form protects your spine and makes the deadlift much safer. 4. Push-ups. Fix your wrist and shoulder position. Push-ups seem simple, but poor form can hurt your shoulders and wrists, especially after 40. A common mistake is letting your hips sag or flaring your elbows out too far. This puts pressure on your joints and makes the exercise less effective. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your body. Lower yourself slowly and push up with control. If full push-ups are too hard, start with knee push-ups or wall push-ups. Building proper form first will protect your joints and prevent injury. 5. Lunges. Improve balance, and knee safety lunges are great for legs and balance. But bad form can stress your knees. Many people lean forward too much or let their front knee go past their toes. This increases the risk of joint pain or injury. Instead, take a long enough step forward so your front knee stays directly above your ankle. Keep your chest lifted and lower your back knee straight down toward the floor. Move slowly and with control. If you struggle with balance, hold onto a wall or chair for support. Proper lunge form will build strength without putting extra pressure on your joints. 6. Planks. Don't strain your lower back. Planks are great for core strength, but poor form often leads to lower back pain. A big mistake is letting your hips sag too low or raising them too high. This reduces core engagement and strains your back muscles. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep your neck in a neutral position. If holding a full plank feels too hard, try starting with shorter hold times or doing planks on your knees. Focus on quality, not duration. Good plank form builds core strength safely and effectively. 7. Bicep curls. Stop swinging and cheating reps. Bicep curls seem easy, but bad form can limit your results and cause strain. A common mistake is swinging your body or using momentum to lift the weights. This takes the focus off your biceps and puts stress on your back and shoulders. To fix this, stand tall, keep your elbows close to your sides, and lift the weight slowly. Focus on squeezing your biceps at the top, then lowering the weight with control. Use lighter weights if needed. Slow and controlled reps will give you better results and help prevent injury. Quality form matters more than lifting heavy. Staying active after 40 is one of the best things you can do for your health. But using the right form is key to preventing injuries. Small changes in your technique can make a big difference in your strength, flexibility, and long-term joint health. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips made especially for people over 40. Let me know in the comments which exercise you struggle with the most, and I'll create more helpful videos for you. Stay safe, stay strong, and see you next time.